Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Ford Ranger. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Safely lift the front of the truck using a jack and secure it with jack stands. This provides crucial access and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now let's find that starter. It's typically located on the passenger side of the engine, near the transmission bell housing. You'll see two main electrical connections, a large battery cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Disconnect these carefully. Then, using the correct size wrench, remove the two mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. Gently pull the old starter free. With the old starter out, it's time for the new one. Carefully maneuver the new starter into position, aligning it with the mounting holes. Insert the two mounting bolts and hand tighten them before fully tightening with your wrench. Reconnect the electrical wires to the solenoid, ensuring they are snug and free of corrosion. Double-check all connections for security. Almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal, ensuring a tight connection. Carefully lower your Ford Ranger from the jack stands. Now it's the moment of truth. Try starting the engine. Listen for a strong, consistent crank. If the engine turns over and starts, you've successfully replaced your starter. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.